Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 different styles of the Hold It Mate system for holding hanging baskets, bird feeders, or any outdoor decor that you choose. I am friends with the inventor and he sent me 3 of the best-selling items from this line. So I'll be opening each, showing you the parts, as well as how to install them on your porch rails. It's really very simple. The kits are made with a universal fit and they're made to fit vertical spindles only. They do not work on horizontal spindles. They connect to PVC, which is what I have, and also metal or wood spindles with a round or square shape from 1/2 inch to 1 3/4 inches thick. The first example I'll be showing you is the Hold It Mate 8-inch ring kit. Now this is also available in a 10-inch size. Here's a good look at the ring. It's very sturdy material and made of powder-coated steel. And here is what they're calling the rails. These are going to attach like this horizontally. And then the hardware comes in a little baggie and is made of stainless steel. There's a little Allen wrench that comes with it. And you're going to find a sleeve nut and then also 3 different sizes so you can customize your fit. I like that everything is smooth and well made. I did have another hook a couple years ago that had like a clamp that you tightened, and I never used it because I was afraid it was going to scratch my railing. So I do really like this setup. In essence, what you do is mount these like this horizontally. Your spindles will be in between, and then you just tighten it, and there's nothing that's going to mar or dent your surface. Just make sure you don't over tighten. Now keep in mind that the max distance between spindles that you can use these on is 5 inches. However, most spindles are spaced 4 inches apart. I'm going to be demonstrating installation on the 8-inch ring kit. The other examples are the exact same way. Find the bolt that is just a little bit longer than your spindle. Then take your sleeve nut and then insert it into this rail that has that slight indentation, like so. Find the bolt size that you'll be using and attach it with just a couple spins. Then you're going to connect this to the other side through that little keyhole, like so. Then to insert it into the railing, you're going to take one side and turn it up, push it through, and then turn it back horizontally. I'm going to be mindful of which side this nut is facing because the way this bracket is made to go on, it covers that when it's in place. Then take your Allen wrench and tighten that sleeve nut until it's snug, and just be careful to not over tighten it. If you need to adjust it, you'll just loosen it slightly and reposition to tighten. Now, if you're going to be hanging multiples of this, I would suggest cutting a scrap piece of lumber to the desired height and then using that as a guide to make installation easy and seamless and accurate. The other examples I'll be showing you are set up and hung much the same way. There's the 18-inch multi-use hook and mounting kit. Again, this is made to fit on vertical spindles only, and it connects to PVC, metal, wood, round or square spindles from 1/2 inch to 1 3/4 inches thick. Here's examples. There's wrought iron, aluminum, vinyl, and wood. Now here's the basket. It will hold up to 15 pounds when installed correctly. Now this planter box has 2 different brackets that come in the box, and as you can see, they mount here. This holds planter boxes from 5.5 inches to 8.5 inches deep and will support up to 30 inches wide, holds up to 35 pounds. Okay, this one comes with an extra baggie that has a wing nut and a bolt. So you're gonna find this and this. This is the only difference. And as you can see, there's a square on that bolt. There's a square on the receptacle. And then these just sit here. And then this is how they adjust. And then this, just like so. I'm going to show the planter both ways. You could either face the hardware and the two pieces on the inside, or you can face them on the outside. Or if you'd like to, you can even buy extra planter holders and have a planter on either side, but I'm showing it in this video either way. There's no right or wrong. You can do it however you would like. So in my case, I think I'm going to leave them with the straight bar facing forward. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions on things maybe I didn't cover, please leave them for me in the comments. Also, I'll include shopping links in the description for your convenience. If you aren't already a subscriber, I hope you'll hit that follow button. And you can also find me, I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.